Here we're going to show you how to adjust the upper limit setting on the arm. So we're in the original screen right now. We'll just turn the light on. There's bales processed. Now we're going to click the right button. And here you see we got the current position, so wherever the arm is sitting, you'll make a reading right here. Then we're going to set the upper limit. So what we'll have to do there is click select, and that brings up the little icon. We're going to page down to the upper limit setting, and then we will hit select again. And then you can move over with the arrows, and then using up or down you can change the number. As you can see, it's changing when I hit the button. So we're going to leave this at 1.9, and then you will hit OK, and then you'll hit escape, and that verifies that it's been set. And then if you hit the up arrow again, that'll return you back to your original screen.